welcome back to my channel. My name is Yadira in case you guys are new here. And for today's video, I wanted to do a clean and organize with me. So I'm pretty much just going right in. I wanted to organize my makeup drawer and also our dresser in our bedroom. So I started off with the makeup drawer because this drawer, I have not done my makeup in so long. The only thing I do now is mascara because of the fact that we have to wear masks. So that's the only thing that I literally do. I haven't put on foundation or any of that stuff on my actual face, especially like eyeshadows and stuff. So I wanted to get rid of a lot of makeup that was either expired or I just haven't used in a long time, or just stuff that I hoard. Sometimes I will literally keep a mascara for so long and it'll be like very crusty and dusty and stuff. So I wanted to get rid of the stuff that I had already used up. So I started off by doing that and also organizing my eyeshadow palettes, which of course I have not used also in like a year plus or so. So anyways, I just wanted to do that, and I also just make sure that I was really throwing away stuff because I didn't want to hoard anything, even though I still need to get rid of a lot of stuff, but I don't want to throw those away. I just want to give them out to like family members and stuff. Lately, I've been cleaning this room a lot more because now that school started back up, I've had to do my homework and stuff in this room. So my desk will literally have so many papers on top of my laptop and my iPad. So I constantly just have to clean it up. But here, I'm definitely making sure that I'm getting rid of the actual makeup because I don't want to like look at them and be like, okay, I can actually still use this, because some of them were foundations that I just haven't really like used so much, and they've been there for like 2 years already, and those I definitely can't have because they do expire. So I just wanted to make sure that I was getting rid of those. So last Sunday, we ended up having a snowstorm here in Maryland, and I feel like for the most of the East Coast, but I'm not too sure. But we just decided to stay in bed all day and play board games and just watch TV, which I thought was really fun because we haven't had a chance to actually do that or just like lay in bed and do nothing. I feel like even when I'm off, I always have to do something, whether that's recording a video, editing, filming, or doing homework or something like that. So it was actually really nice to just lay in bed and do nothing all day. But, anyways, in this room, I wanted to focus on organizing our drawers. They have been getting so filled up lately, and when we open them, it's just hard to close them. And then we have like clothes hanging out of them. And I really don't want to get another dresser because I like the way the room looks right now with the open space. So I feel like if we add another dresser, it's just going to feel very cluttered. So I'm really just trying to avoid all that. But I definitely made sure I folded our clothes neatly and got rid of anything that either didn't fit us or was old, or like socks, for example. If I couldn't find the matching pair, then I just like threw them away. I also have those white organizers that I got from IKEA, and I feel like they work very well for keeping things organized in our drawers and separating stuff instead of everything just being piled up on top of each other. Now, for the rest of the house, I kept the cleaning very minimal, very simple. I wasn't trying to move things to clean, I was just wiping down the main furniture. I've been keeping up with the house more often now, making sure it's not messy, and I'm actually surprised with our bedroom because usually when I clean it, we already start stacking clothes on top of the drawers because I've mentioned before, instead of us throwing clothes on a chair, we just throw it on top of the dresser because we don't have a chair. And we haven't done that yet, and it's already been a week, so I'm quite impressed with that.
Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said. Yeah, I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known. Just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
You guys will see that that drawer in the middle where we keep the utensils has been opening by itself for about a week now, and it's been getting on my nerves. And I was trying to figure out what it was, like maybe it was too heavy, or I was putting too many things in there, or just like the way I organized it, but it's nothing. I don't know, I feel like it's probably something with like the sides, but you guys can just tell right now it just opened by itself, and it's just been getting on my nerves, and I'm trying to like fix it and trying to see like what is going on with it, because it'll literally open all the way and it'll stay open, because if you close it, it'll literally open back up again.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love.
And for the end of my cleaning, I'm just washing the dishes, making sure I also dry them and put them away. And yeah, I really just enjoy washing dishes by hand. I've mentioned this so many times before. I rather just wash them by hand than use the dishwasher. We've been in this house for a year and a half now, going on 2, and I've never used the dishwasher. So I just really enjoy washing them by hand.
Don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love.
So that is going to be it for this clean and organized with me video. I really wanted to make sure I tackled my makeup drawer and got rid of any unused makeup that hasn't been touched in forever. And I also wanted to organize the dresser in the bedroom, make sure that the drawers were nice and organized, and I got rid of anything that just didn't fit us or just didn't really belong there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. I do post every Sunday, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.